Hi bunnies, it's test. I hope you remember. Yes. Shirley doesn't forget. Naughty Shirley. Okay? So come this side. Tomorrow the date is 27th April 2020. Okay. Now this is paper number 1. It says tick whether the th sound is at the beginning. Forget about this. Forget about this. Forget. You have to complete this with th words. I will do one for you. Slur, sir, lur, slur or th. Sloth. Sloth is this. Okay? You have to complete this with th words. Fine? After this, number 2. After this, if the th is coming in the beginning or end. Where is the th coming? End. So, you will circle it. You will circle the th. You will circle the th. Okay? What you have to do, you have to fill in the blanks with th and you have to circle the th. Okay, bunnies? Yes. Now, this is circle the th. Okay. Now see this. This is number 3. What you have to do. Tick whether the sound is at the beginning or end. Same words. Same words as this. But you cannot cheat. Once you finish this, mummies, please keep it away. You have to write here. Again, I will help you. For example, this is 3. Th, r, e. 3. Now, th is in the beginning or end. It is beginning. I will circle it and write B for beginning. Okay? Same. Your words are given here. There is another word for this one. For 3, there is another word. For 3, there is another word. You have to fill all. Fill all. Even this you have to fill here. And then you have to circle. If it is beginning, you will write B. If it is end, you will write E. If it is beginning, you will write B. If it is end, you will write E. Okay? Well done. Now, see this. Come this side, Dipali Didi. Now, this is matching. Pictures are left side, words are right side. Now, let us say if this is what? Thin. Where is thin? Thin is this. La 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 la. Match the following. Okay? No asking mommy. No asking mommy. Think what it is. Think. Okay? Now this is page number 4. Bunnies, you'll have so much Shirley is giving. Naughty Shirley. Now 5th page. Oh my God. 5th page, bunnies. Bunny, ho, ho. Bunny. Bunnies, you will all pass, no baby? Then I give you chocolate. Okay? All the chocolates are there in the box. Dipali Didi and Chris Bhaiya are eating it. Bad they are. I am not eating bunnies. Okay. Now make sentences. Teeth. Thumb. Bath. Thank. Make very simple sentences. Very simple sentence. I am not helping you with this. Okay. So let's see how many pages you have. Page number 1. Okay. What you have to do? Fill in the blanks with th. Write th. And circle the th. Circle the th everywhere. Circle it. Okay. Page number 3. See, this has 2 parts. This has 1 and 2. Fill in the blanks with th and then circle the th. So 1 and 2. This is the 3rd page. Now see, your words are given here. I have written a different word. Your option is here. You have to fill it. And if th is coming in the beginning, you have to circle it and write B. If th is coming in the end, you have to circle it and write E. Okay? Good. Now see this. This is matching. Pictures and words. I am not reading. Nobody is reading. No mama's reading. This is thin. La 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 la. Th. Do phonics. Bunnies, you will get it. Do phonics. Match. And last, okay, you have to make sentences. Teeth, thumb, bath, thank. Very short sentences like I thank you, my thumb is small, something no, very small things. Okay, all the best bunnies. Mamas, no helping. Finish your work by 5 and submit it to me. Okay, good luck. Bye bye.